you guys, it's your girl Tamara GI. We are back with another video. In today's video I am going to be showing you guys how to master a glueless unit. You really don't need to know what you're doing to put on a glueless wig in order to make it look like chef kiss. Continue watching this video and I'm gonna give you what you need to succeed. Okay, if you guys are new to this channel, let's just go ahead and click the subscribe button because we are on the road to 300k. So let's just go ahead and run that up. Today we're going to be working with Beauty Forever Hair. What the hair looks like. It's so cute. It's giving like this like loose wave-ish type vibe. The lace is already pre-plucked, pre-bleached, so you really do not have to do nothing. This is what the inside looks like. So you get this much lace with the 7x5. You do get units that are glueless and everything's pretty much done for you. The unit is gonna have like, it's already gonna be pre-cut, so it's gonna have like this like ripple effect. But that's one thing that I kind of do not like on glueless units because I feel like the ripple effect is still very noticeable. I'm gonna show you guys just what I like to do, like I said, to put my little 1-2 on it to still make the unit look very like flawless, like you've been in the lab for hours. Okay, this is what I'm talking about right here, the little ripples. So I'm gonna show you guys what I do, but this hair is definitely gonna eat. It's definitely gonna blend in so good. You have the drawstring in the back to tighten the wig as well. Maybe that's why they added like this little small one, because you already have a lot of security with this. So you just do this and it'll like draw it all the way up. So if you have a small head, a big head, it's all head friendly. Okay, you have one comb in the back. I like to hot comb my unit before I put it on my head, so I'm gonna show you guys what I'm talking about. I just take my Sebastian Shaper Plus. That's what this is, Sebastian Shaper Plus. And you guys, you can get this from TJ Maxx. They have it at TJ Maxx for $12. You do not have to pay the original price, how much ever it costs. I like to get my hair products, most of my hair products, from TJ Maxx, Marshalls, whatever. But if I really cannot find it, then I'll be at the beauty spot store, Sally's, whatever. Yeah, so spray the top, and this is a light holding spray. You do not want to spray your hair with something like this or something like this. You want to spray it with a light holding spray. Y'all can see, like, I just feel like it just gives it that just like sleek look. Be careful because it is hot, but I feel like it just gives that just sleek look. When you do purchase the unit, you get a little bit of goodies inside the bag, inside this little silk bag. This silk bag is where you're going to store your wig in after you're done, so you can like keep the longevity. They gave me a whole big old tray of lashes, gave us some wig caps, a melt band. This is a extra elastic band. This is what I was looking for, y'all, on the unit instead of this little bra strap thing. But it's fine. It's literally fine. I don't plan on trying to have this to hold on to anything. So if I want to add it on there, I'll add it, but I doubt I will. Edge toothbrush. So with glueless units, you typically do not have to do I have a widow's peak? What? Do like a bald cap method. I haven't did a bald cap method in so long. I haven't used lace glue in a minute. I just wear my cap like this. I like to take my Ruby Kisses makeup. This is in the shade 12 and this is what it looks like. And I just brush both sides and then just go ahead and put that all over my cap. And they want the tea on me, I swear these bitches nosy. Said he put some money on my head, I guess we gon' see. I won't put no money on his head. And then I also put the same makeup on the actual lace on here. Now it's gonna blend in like a lot more. I'm just gonna go ahead and put this on so you guys can see what it looks like without me cutting it versus with me cutting it. That little thing in the back made it very tight. This ain't going nowhere. But this is what it looks like with without the stuff being cut. I'm gonna go in with my tweezer and just do it very little, like very little.
My niggas owe me. I gotta be single for a while. You can't control me. Uno, those traits in a race, they can't hold me. And I show my face in a case, so you know it's me.
This is about how much lace I took off. It's not that much. I'm just gonna go back over the lace a little bit and pluck it just a little bit so it can look like a little teensy bit more very scalp like.
So you guys, when I am plucking my hair, whether it's on my head or on a mannequin, this is exactly how I pluck. It's nothing special. It's nothing you have to do it a certain way. I just pull back that first like little half of hair, like you see me like kind of looking like I'm prepping for edges, but I'm not. I just pull back that first half of hair and I'm just plucking from left to right or right to left, whatever you choose. But you don't want to pluck in one spot. That's one tip I would say. Do not pluck in one spot and stay there. When you're plucking, your hand needs to keep moving from side to side so that it can equally give that scalp like look. And just stop whenever you feel like you want to. You don't have to do as much as I did. You could just pluck until you did, you know, whatever you're comfortable with. But yeah, y'all know I be doing the extra mile, so I was just plucking and plucking and plucking. And then really do make sure you guys keep in mind that you are plucking, so the hair is going to come out. So when you brush it, the hair that you plucked is going to come out. Your hair is not shedding, your wig is not shedding. That is the hair that you literally plucked out.
I said, see you at the top and they misunderstood me. I hold no resentment in my heart, that's that maturity. And we don't keep it on us anymore, it's with security. I'm outside, 29, G5, seaside. I've been losing friends and finding peace. But honestly, that sound like a fair trade to me. If I ever heard one, and I'm still here outside, front line. Southside, I've been losing friends and finding peace. Honestly, that sound like a fair trick. In the dirt that they threw on my name, turn the soil and I grew about it. Time for y'all to figure out what y'all gon' do about it. Big wheels keep rolling, rolling. I'm outside, 29, G5, seaside. I've been losing friends and finding peace. But honestly, that sound like a fair trade to me. If I ever heard one, and I'm still here outside.
So y'all, at first I was about to start my baby hairs, and then I was like, wait a minute, let me make sure my middle part is how I want it before I start taking out my baby hair. So I just went in with my wax stick and just took my hot comb and just making sure that middle part is exactly how I want it. And then I'm gonna go into the baby hairs. Now for my baby hairs, at first I was just gonna do the two and then you know, just something real subtle, but I was like, no, I want to go all out and do a middle edge. So you guys are gonna see me transition into that. And I am doing a little bit more plucking even after I pulled out the hair that I am using for my baby hairs. You do not have to do this, but if you do want the exact look that I got in this video, just follow everything that I'm doing. And I also went in and cut the baby hairs, and I also curled them with my little skinny straightener. And another tip, when you are doing your baby hairs, like you see me plucking the hair like the lace, you do want to pluck the hairs to thin them out. Nobody likes thick baby hairs. It just gives wiggy. It just gives I'm not even trying. It just gives I don't know what I'm doing. Pluck that hair out a little bit so it could be a little loose. Y'all, I tried this little mixture. I don't know who I was feeling like thinking I just concocted something. It actually worked pretty good. Nairobi mousse and the got to be gel, it was pretty good, y'all. I'm not gonna lie. I might try this again. I'm normally not a mousse person with my edges, but I was like, you know what, let me just try the mousse, you know, to give it more of the fluffy looks. So if you do just want edges that are going to be extra fluffy that you can go back and just brush out, you know, so it can give you that real messy type look, just use mousse by itself. Do not use the got to be gel. And also guys, please note that when you are using the mousse, your lace makeup that you put on the lace, it is going to start fading. So y'all, make sure you guys keep note of that. Be careful when you are doing your baby hairs, because I did have to go back and add a little makeup because I was like, wait a minute, but you know, I was losing it for a second, and then I quickly grabbed it right back up, and the edges was looking real cute. I really love this middle edge. It was definitely giving.
Alright guys, so you guys are seeing what the baby hairs are looking like. So cute. I knew I should have went with my first instinct, because I was literally saying that I wanted to do like a middle, because I haven't did like middle edges in a minute. But this looks so cute. Like, it looks so good. So we're basically done now. I'm just about to get this middle like a little bit more straighter and molded.
We can't be turning up with everybody. Nah, can't be fucking on this anybody. Yeah, I got feelings for you, that's the thing about it. Yeah, you know that it's something when I sing about it. Yeah, mama used to be on disability, but gave me this ability. And now she walking with her head high and her back straight. I don't think you feeling me.
I'm gonna just take a little brush with the same thing that I had and just faintly do this. I'm not trying to do it too much. I'm just gonna take my my water bottle and just spray the hair.
I'm out here being everything they said I wouldn't be, it couldn't be. I don't know what happened to them guys that said they would be. I said, see you at the top and they misunderstood me. I hold no resentment in my heart, that's that maturity. And we don't keep it on us anymore, it's with security. I'm outside, 29, G5, seaside. I've been losing friends and finding peace. But honestly, that sound like a fair trade to me. If I ever heard one, and I'm still here outside, front line, south side. I've been losing friends and finding peace. Honestly, that sound like a fair trade. Yeah, you know that it's something when I sing about it. Yeah, mama used to be on disability, but gave me this ability. And now she walking with her head high and her back straight. I don't think you feeling me. I'm out here being everything they said I wouldn't be, it couldn't be. I don't know what happened.
Alright guys, so this is the final look for this hair. I really loved it. I really love the way it came out after I diffused it. These are what the curls look like. It's like giving like a loose wave type feel. It is so cute, y'all. Let's get into the curls. Like, what? Let me show y'all the back so y'all can see what the back is looking like. This is how to make your glueless wig look like you just sat in somebody's chair. To go the extra mile that I did, instead of just throwing it on, if everything's already done for you, you might as well just go all out. If you didn't want to go the extra mile and you don't really know how to do like the baby hairs really good, you could, you know, do a little subtle baby hair or whatever. But I will say, for this unit to be, you know, 100% glueless, this is a 7x5. This is the perfect beginner friendly wig, because you don't have to work with a whole bunch of lace, but you still have enough to either do like a side part and it still be cute. You literally have like a lot to work with. So I am not mad at this unit. Like, I really like this unit. This will be considered as one of my throw on units. And the good thing about a glueless unit is when I take this off, y'all, I can just put it right back on, make sure everything is looking in place, and put it right back on. Lace is already bleached, lace is already plucked, and you can do a little bit of extra plucking over like we did and add some baby hairs to it. And if you don't want to add baby hairs to it, you really don't have to. Everything is done for you. No styling needed. Only thing you need to do is just add water, leave-in conditioner, you know, a little hot comb, get your thing looking real good, and you cooking with gas. If you are watching this video, I really hope this helps you, and I hope it helps you to like achieve your perfect wig install without having to pay a stylist, or just if you want to learn how to do your units more. I hope this video helped as well, just to get you a little bit used to, you know, doing units and stuff. I feel like working with a glueless unit is the perfect way to practice, because you don't have to worry about lace glue. You don't have to worry about, oh, did I cut the lace right? Did I do this? Like we're in phase. We done skipped a whole bunch of steps. If you're just trying to perfect your baby hairs or something like that, you don't want to have to deal with having to do the whole shebang, this is perfect. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. And like I said before, if you are new to this channel, if you are not subscribed yet, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, because we are on the way to 300K. All the information for this hair, like I said before, is going to be in the description box down below, so make sure you guys check that out so you can get the link to this wig exactly, or you can just look on Beauty Forever. I am very pleased with this wig. I love you guys so much. Stay blessed. Gia babies, we out.